Pinalitan na nga ngayong hapon sa pagiging Senate President ni Senator Tito Soto si Senator Cheese Escudero matapos niya nga makatanggap ng sapat na suporta mula sa kanyang mga kasamahang senador.
Mr. President, I have the honor of nominating Senator Vicente C. Soto III as Senate President. We already know him to be a leader of great integrity, as exemplified by his time as Vice Mayor of Quezon City, as Senate Majority Leader, as Senate Minority Leader, and of course, as Senate President.
I second the nomination of Senator Vicente Soto III as Senate President.
Thank you, Senator Legarda.
Mr. President, move for the previous motion, there being no other nomination. So move, Mr. President.
It has been moved by the Majority Leader and seconded by Senator Lauren Legarda that the nomination be closed. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved. There being no other nominees for the position, Senator Vicente Soto, the only nominee for the position of the Senate President, is hereby declared as the newly elected President of the Senate.
Bago pa magsimula ang sesyon, una na sinabi ni Soto na nagkausap na sila ni Escudero tungkol dito ngayong umaga. Samantala si Senator Ping Lacson naman ang uupong bagong Senate President pro tempore bilang kapalit nga ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Habang si Senator Mig Zubiri naman ang tatayong bagong Senate Majority Leader, kapalit nga ni Senator Joel Villanueva.
Mr. President, I am deeply humbled and sincerely grateful to the Almighty Father, also to the Senate President Francis Cheese Escudero, who administered my oath today, and to you, my esteemed colleagues, who reposed your trust and confidence in me and in my capability to again lead this august chamber at this crucial and challenging time. I am simply a presider of your session. I am your listener, your advisor, if you so desire, your enabler for anything within my power to do so. I am primus inter pares, or first among equals, but among equals.
Sa naging sesyon, nag-iwan din ng maikling mensahe si Escudero.
Senate President, nais ko lamang po magbigay ng maikling manifestasyon. Nais ko pong magpasalamat sa mga kapwa ko miyembro ng Senado na nagbigay po ng tiwala sa akin sa 19th at saka 20th Congress. Nais ko din po magpasalamat sa mga opisyal at kawani ng Senado. Karangalan ko po na pagsilbihan kayo at manilbihan kasama kayo nitong nagdaang taon. I serve at the pleasure, Mr. President, of the majority, and understand and respect the decision of the majority of my colleagues. I hold no grudges. I hold no ill feelings. I congratulate Senator Vicente Tito Soto III on his election as Senate President, and I wish you well, Mr. Senate President.
Tiniyak naman niyang handa siyang suportahan si Soto kung kailanganin man siya nito at hindi rin daw siya magtatanim ng sama ng loob. Sa kabilang banda, sa muling pag-upo ni Soto sa pesto ay sinabi naman niya na ibabalik niya ang pagkakaroon ng lunch tuwing Lunes para nga magsilbi nilang weekly consultation. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Ann Cortas ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music News Authority.